Understanding Jade Bracelet in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, Jade Bracelet. This term may seem simple, but it has a rich cultural history and can be used in various contexts. Let's unlock its meanings and uses together. Before diving into the phrase itself, it's crucial to understand what jade is. Jade is a precious stone that has been prized in many cultures for centuries, particularly in Asia. It's known for its beautiful green color and its hardness, which makes it perfect for carving and jewelry making, like bracelets. A jade bracelet isn't just a piece of jewelry. It often carries significant cultural symbolism. In Chinese culture, for example, jade is believed to bring good luck and to have protective qualities. A bracelet made of jade could be a symbol of protection, purity, and status. Sometimes, jade bracelet can be used metaphorically. When used in literature or conversation, it might refer to something precious and fragile, hinting that it should be handled with care. It can also represent a bond or connection between people, as bracelets encircle the wrist and jade signifies integrity and loyalty. Now, let's put our phrase into action. You can say, she wore a jade bracelet as a token of her heritage, to imply that it's a part of her cultural identity. Or, he gifted her a jade bracelet to signify his commitment, showing the use of the phrase to symbolize a meaningful gift. And that wraps up our journey into the phrase, jade bracelet. We hope this video has not only taught you about the literal meaning of the term but also given you insight into its deeper cultural and metaphorical significances. Keep practicing your English, and remember, every phrase has a story. Goodbye for now, and happy learning!